Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to do a taste test of Knott's spicy chicken taco dip. Now I do a taco dip, but I saw this. I do it here at home. Saw this, I figured I'd give this a try and see how it compares to mine. So we're going to open this up here. Look at that. So, here we get it open. Good smell. It's supposed to have chicken in it. Spicy chicken taco dip. Alright, so, well, let's see here. I can read the nutritional effects. It's got 8 servings, which serving size is 2 tablespoons. So, each serving has 100 calories. Total fat per serving is 9 grams. Sodium is 210, so that's a lot. And sugar, total sugar is 1 gram, so that's not too bad. So, alright, well, let's give this a try, and let's see how it tastes. Now, I got tortilla chips, which is what I normally eat around here. And we'll kind of stir it up a little bit with the tortilla chip. Oh. Alright, well, here we go. Alright. Well, alright, with this, I think it has, overall it has a good flavor, good taste, but the taco seasoning is a little bit overpowering. So they could actually put in more of the cream cheese and sour cream, what they use to make this. I imagine they use a little bit of cream cheese and sour cream with this, so they could actually dilute it a little bit more, if you'd say, with the cream cheese and that. Well, it is good. If you're eating at a party or something, this would be great. But the spice and the taco seasoning is a little bit overpowering, and that's something from, I eat a lot of hot stuff and stuff, so that's coming from me. When it eats a lot of hot stuff, it's a little overpowering. So, but hey, it's good. Definitely would get it again, but I still prefer my homemade stuff, which I could easily add chicken to. Alright, and I think I made a video of it, and if I haven't, I'll have to. So I'll have to look and see. If I did make my video on that already, I will put a link down in the description. Maybe you can put a card up here for it. So guys, well, this was interesting. I'd definitely say it was good, but the taco seasoning was a little bit overpowering on this one. So this is the Knott's spicy chicken. I got this in the dairy section of the Inkle stores here in where I live. So you can check and see if you can find it at your store if you'd like to give it a try. And you guys can leave a comment below telling me what you think. And also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel to catch other taste test videos like this. And I also do a cooking video. I try to get on Saturday. And I do some sightseeing and adventure videos as well. So guys, I'll see you on the next video, and I want you to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'm going to try a little bit more of this. Definitely a little overpowering on the seasoning.